Hello, and welcome to our tutorial video on how to write educational objectives like a pro. Today, we're going to delve into the art of writing smart educational objectives using Bloom's taxonomy. This powerful combination ensures that your teaching goals are not only clear but also effective. So, let's jump right in. In this section, we'll explore the key components of SMART objectives. 1. Specific. To kick things off, pinpoint the learning outcome you're aiming for. Be crystal clear about what you want students to achieve by using action verbs. For example, by the end of the lesson, students will be able to analyze the causes and effects of climate change. 2. Measurable. Make your objective measurable by establishing criteria for assessment. This allows you to gauge whether the objective has been met. Consider this example. Students will identify at least 3 causes and 3 effects of climate change in a written assignment. 3. Achievable. Ensure your objective is realistic and feasible within the given context. Take into account students' prior knowledge, skills, and available resources. Example, given the available resources and class time, students will complete the assignment within 1 week. 4. Result-oriented. Focus on the desired outcome or end result. This helps students understand the purpose and relevance of the objective. For instance, by analyzing the causes and effects of climate change, students will develop a deeper understanding of the environmental challenges we face today. 5. Time-bound. Set a specific time frame or deadline. This creates urgency and helps students manage their time effectively. Example, students will submit their written assignment on the causes and effects of climate change by the end of the week. Now, let's seamlessly integrate Bloom's taxonomy into SMART objectives. Bloom's taxonomy comprises 6 levels of cognitive complexity: remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating. To align your SMART objectives with Bloom's taxonomy, consider the level of cognitive engagement you want to promote. Here's one example. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to analyze the causes and effects of climate change by completing a written assignment. They will present their findings to the class and evaluate potential solutions to mitigate climate change within a given time frame. Here are a few more examples of SMART objectives aligned with Bloom's taxonomy. 1. Remembering, knowledge level. By the end of the lesson, students will list and define the major organs of the digestive system through a labeling activity. 2. Understanding, comprehension level. Given a short story, students will summarize the main events and identify the central theme in a paragraph. 3. Applying, application level. Using a map and scale, students will be able to calculate the distance between 2 cities and provide accurate driving directions. 4. Analyzing, analysis level. Given a historical event, students will be able to analyze primary and secondary sources to determine multiple perspectives and explain the causes and effects of the event. 5. Evaluating, evaluation level. After conducting a science experiment, students will be able to evaluate the reliability and validity of their data and draw conclusions based on their analysis. 6. Creating, synthesis/creation level. Working in groups, students will be able to design and construct a functional model of a sustainable house using recyclable materials, and present their design to the class. So there you have it. By incorporating these strategies, you can effectively develop objectives that guide your teaching and help students achieve meaningful learning outcomes. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope you found these tips helpful. Until next time, happy teaching!